One of the things that we really love about Datanomix is the ease at what we can get the data. It's right there, kind of staring us in the face in the morning. We're not going through anything digging. The supervisors that are using the data, it just shows up at their daily coffee cup report. They can look at it, get a quick overview of what the day was before. It's also tracking job performance, which is really important for us on the quoting side of things as well. So if we're quoting a similar product, we know what the historical averages are and everything, right? So instead of saying, oh, this feels like a 15-minute part, we know it's a 14-minute and 30-second part. Historically, we were using what our job routers would say or something like that, which could have some inaccuracies in it. I'd say our quoting probably got about 10 to 15% more accurate for parts that we have Datanomix data on, because we're capturing everything. Not only are we capturing the machine runtime, but we're also capturing our throughput, which at the end of the day is what's the most important thing to us.